from hanging plants, which I need to go ahead and purchase. I need to buy the little hooks to put it in the ceiling first though. Peace friends, I'm Camelia and I create and share holistic lifestyle content. If you are new here, thanks so much for joining me, and go ahead and click the subscribe button right now. If you're not new here, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about reasons why you should consider adding houseplants to your home this spring. Yes. All right, y'all. So houseplants are not only just a great way to add like a touch of greenery to your space, but they also offer several benefits for our health and well-being. So let's dive in and explore this a bit more. So the first reason why you should consider adding houseplants to your home is to improve air quality. So plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which can help to purify the air in your home. Certain plants such as the snake plant and the spider plant are particularly effective at removing harmful toxics like formaldehyde and also benzene from the air. The second reason to add houseplants is to boost your mood. Yes. So studies have shown that being surrounded by plants can help to reduce stress and anxiety, and even alleviate symptoms of depression, y'all. Yes, y'all. It's just such a beautiful thing. But anyway, plants can also create a calming atmosphere and improve our overall well-being. Plants, y'all. The third reason to add houseplants to your home is to increase productivity. Having plants in your space, it has shown to improve concentration and creativity, as well as reduce fatigue and stress. So whether you're working from home or even just in your office, adding some greenery to your workspace can help you stay focused, along with give you more energy throughout your day. And this is particularly why I know when I go to like the cabins and things like that, I'm able to get a lot more work done and have a lot of ideas. Real quick though, be sure to check out my Amazon storefront today. It is filled with easy care houseplants along with accessories like pots and watering cans and all the things, y'all. But anyway, from eye-catching succulents to lush greenery, my Amazon storefront has everything you need to make your home like a little green oasis. Some of my favorite plants can also be found there. But that's not all, y'all. As a special gift, I'm offering a free guide on houseplants to consider for your home. This guide is perfect for beginners or anyone that's just looking to add a new plant to their collection that they already have. So head over to my Amazon storefront today to find your new green friends and all the things. And don't forget to download the free guide as well. I'll leave that link below in the description box. And let me know what y'all think too. Moving on to the fourth reason to add houseplants to your space. Add decorative touches. Plants come in a variety of shapes and sizes and colors, which can complement pretty much any decor style. I mean, like for real. From hanging plants, which I need to go ahead and purchase. I need to buy the little hooks to put it in the ceiling first though. But yeah, from hanging plants to terrariums, and that's also another one that I'm going to try to create soon with terrariums. But anyway, there are endless possibilities for incorporating plants into your space with your current style and decor. Lastly, houseplants are easy to care for, making them a great addition to your home anyway. Many plants like the snake plant and the ZZ plant, which both of which I own, are low maintenance and can thrive in a variety of lighting conditions. With a little bit of water, just a little bit, not a whole lot, a little bit of water and some sunlight, you can enjoy the benefits of houseplants without doing too much work, honestly. Those are my top reasons to consider adding some houseplants to your home. Whether you're looking to improve air quality, boost your mood, increase your productivity, add some decorative touches, or just simply enjoy the easy to care responsibility of those plants, there are plenty of reasons to bring some greenery into your home. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you have not already. Hit the subscribe button, y'all. I will see you in the next video. Peace, friend. So if you like this video, be sure to watch all of my other videos. Just click here, click right here, and start watching my videos, y'all. Catch up.